If you're shopping for a new car today, you're faced with a bigger decision than ever before. Should you stick with a traditional gas-powered vehicle, switch to a hybrid, or go fully electric? Manufacturers claim that hybrids save fuel, EVs eliminate gas costs, and modern gasoline cars are more efficient than ever. But when it comes to your actual wallet, which option saves the most money over time? Today we will talk about hybrid versus electric versus gas, which car saves you the most money? So, before we start, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. 10. Initial purchase price. The first expense every buyer faces is the purchase price. Traditional gasoline vehicles are usually the most affordable option up front, offering a wide range of budget-friendly models. Hybrids typically cost a few $1,000s more because of their additional battery and electric motor systems. Electric vehicles often carry the highest sticker prices, although government incentives and manufacturer discounts can help offset some of the cost. For buyers focused solely on spending the least amount of money today, gasoline vehicles generally win this category. 9. Fuel costs. Fuel expenses can have a huge impact on long-term ownership costs. Gas-powered vehicles require regular trips to the pump, and fuel prices can fluctuate significantly throughout the year. Hybrids reduce fuel consumption by combining gasoline engines with electric motors, often achieving impressive mileage figures. Electric vehicles eliminate gasoline expenses entirely. Charging at home is typically far cheaper than purchasing fuel, especially for drivers who travel long distances regularly. Over several years, EV owners can save thousands of dollars compared to traditional gasoline vehicles. Electric vehicles take fuel savings even further by eliminating gasoline consumption entirely. Instead of purchasing fuel, owners recharge their vehicles using electricity. For most drivers, charging at home is substantially less expensive than filling a gas tank, particularly when using off-peak electricity rates. EVs are also highly efficient, converting a larger percentage of their energy into actual vehicle movement compared to internal combustion engines. 8. Maintenance costs. Routine maintenance is another major expense that many buyers overlook. Gasoline vehicles require oil changes, spark plugs, timing components, exhaust system repairs, and many other maintenance items. Hybrids still have gasoline engines, but their electric systems reduce engine workload, often lowering wear and tear. Electric vehicles have the simplest mechanical design. They don't require oil changes and have fewer moving parts overall. As a result, EVs typically offer the lowest routine maintenance costs of the three options. Hybrid vehicles still use gasoline engines, so they require many of the same maintenance services as conventional cars. However, because hybrids share the workload between the gasoline engine and electric motor, the engine often operates less aggressively and for shorter periods. This can reduce wear and tear on engine components, brakes, and other systems. Regenerative braking, a feature found in most hybrids, also helps extend brake life by using the electric motor to slow the vehicle and recover energy. 7. Reliability. Reliability plays a major role in determining how much a vehicle will cost over its lifetime. Modern gasoline vehicles have benefited from decades of refinement and generally offer dependable performance. Hybrids have also proven highly reliable, particularly models from manufacturers with extensive hybrid experience. Electric vehicles have fewer mechanical components, which can reduce the likelihood of certain types of failures. However, battery-related concerns remain an important consideration for long-term ownership. Overall, hybrids often strike the best balance between proven technology and long-term dependability. 6. Insurance costs. Insurance premiums vary depending on the vehicle, but electric vehicles are often more expensive to insure due to higher repair costs and expensive battery systems. Hybrids typically fall somewhere in the middle, while many gasoline vehicles benefit from lower replacement and repair costs. although insurance rates vary by location and driver profile. Buyers should consider this ongoing expense when calculating total ownership costs. 5. Depreciation. Depreciation represents one of the largest hidden costs of vehicle ownership. Gasoline vehicles generally follow predictable depreciation patterns. Hybrids often retain their value well because of strong demand from fuel-conscious buyers. Electric vehicles can experience more dramatic depreciation due to rapid technological advancements and changing government incentives. While some EV models hold their value exceptionally well, others lose value faster than comparable gasoline or hybrid vehicles. 4. Convenience and infrastructure. Saving money isn't just about dollars, it's also about time and convenience. Gasoline vehicles offer the most extensive refueling infrastructure, with stations available almost everywhere. Hybrids provide the same convenience while requiring fewer visits to the pump. Electric vehicles depend on charging networks and home charging solutions. While charging infrastructure continues to expand rapidly, some drivers may still encounter challenges depending on where they live and travel. 3. Long-term ownership costs. When fuel, maintenance, repairs, and operating expenses are combined, hybrids and EVs often outperform traditional gasoline vehicles. Gas-powered vehicles may be cheaper to purchase initially, but higher fuel and maintenance costs can add up significantly over the years. Many long-term ownership studies show that drivers who keep their vehicles for extended periods often recover the higher purchase price of hybrids and EVs through reduced operating expenses. 2. Best choice for most drivers. For the average driver, hybrids offer an attractive middle ground. They provide outstanding fuel economy, proven reliability, lower maintenance costs, and freedom from charging concerns. Drivers enjoy significant fuel savings without needing to change their daily routines. While EVs can save even more money in certain situations, hybrids remain the easiest transition for drivers who want lower ownership costs without adapting to charging schedules or infrastructure limitations. 1. Which car saves you the most money? The answer depends on your driving habits, but for most people, the hybrid vehicle takes the top spot. Gasoline vehicles may have lower purchase prices, while electric vehicles often offer the lowest fuel and maintenance costs. However, hybrids combine the best aspects of both worlds. They deliver excellent fuel economy, strong reliability, lower operating costs, and fewer lifestyle adjustments than a fully electric vehicle. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.